In this guide, you're going to learn how to fix unwanted white space on your WordPress website. Excess spacing can throw off your layout, make your content look unbalanced, and negatively affect the overall experience for your visitors. The good news is that identifying and removing these gaps is straightforward once you know where to look. Begin by opening your browser and going to WordPress.com. When the page loads, look for the login button and click it so you can access your site's editing tools. On the login screen, select the option that lets you continue with Google. This is the fastest way to sign in if your WordPress account is already linked to one of your Google accounts. Choose the correct account from the list that appears and WordPress will take you into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, glance toward the right panel. You'll see a section labeled Quick Links, and inside it is the Edit Site option. Click this to open your site editor. If you manage more than one site under the same account, make sure you click on the correct website so you're editing the right one. When the editor loads, navigate to the part of your page where the white space is appearing. Look carefully and select the specific block that seems to be causing the issue. Padding, margins, and other spacing settings attached to this block are often the reason gaps appear, so selecting the exact block is essential. After clicking the block, turn your attention to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This opens a sidebar where you can adjust layout settings. Make sure you are inside the block tab, not the page tab, because you want to edit settings for the individual block that's creating the spacing problem. Scroll through the available options, and if the basic spacing settings don't solve the issue, expand the advanced section. This area provides a field labeled Additional CSS. Here you can paste custom CSS to override spacing values that aren't accessible from the standard controls. Adding custom CSS works especially well when a theme or block applies default styles that create large gaps. After pasting your CSS, double check everything to ensure it looks correct and that you haven't accidentally altered other parts of your layout. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. Your updated styles will take effect immediately, and the unwanted white space should be gone. With just a few adjustments, your website will look cleaner, more polished, and far more professional. A tidy layout helps visitors focus on your content and improves the entire browsing experience.